part 2 of my washing machine. Had a whole bunch of watch the video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and leave a like and subscribe. Guys, look at this huge pile of cardboard. Oh my gosh. It is so bad. I'm just gonna pick it up with my hand. Put it in the trash can. Gosh. Really, Grandma? Get that. Oh my God. So bad. So bad. Guys, I got it all over the floor. That's not it. That's different. Pick these little pieces up. Too much cardboard was in there. I think that should be good. I don't know. Hold on. Let me get this part real quick. Oh, gosh, that hurts so much. Alright, I think I'm done. Let's see if I'm done. Mima! I don't know. Man, that is really bad. Look at that. All that. She probably tried to get it out. Didn't work. Mima!
What?
Can you come and see if it's good?
You what?
Can you come and see if this is good? Alright guys, he's coming up.
What is it?
Can you come and see if this is good? Good enough.
Did you try to get all of it out?
Yeah?
Okay. Well, that should be fine. Your dad, why don't you come and fill up your thing now?
Alright.
Okay.
Thought I did.
Okay, see this black thing here? This black
What?
thing? Okay, right here?
Yeah?
Okay, we're going to put all the small stuff in there. Okay?
Okay.
Take up. And then you come picture.
Everything on the stairs?
Well, everything's small, don't fit in there.
So like not your purse or nothing?
You can take my purse up there and throw it up
Oh.
there.
Oh, camera. How does that work? Maybe I can use that one for my vlogs and videos. Does this camera go in there?
What?
Does this the Samsung camera go in there?
Camera, yeah, I was going to have you read it tonight instead of playing on your phone all night.
Oh, I don't even know if I'm going to use it.
Well, we'll just see. Maybe you can teach me how to do it.
Maybe I can do it. I don't know.
Okay.
Do I put it in the basket?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, gosh, it is so bad. That corner board. Let's put that right there. Like that right there. Gosh. I don't know. Oh yeah, I think that leaves it for this video, guys. Gonna leave you guys right now. And guys, leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's that cardboard thing. I don't know, but if you guys enjoyed, and leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys later. Peace.